The Vivo X200 Ultra and X200s are set to launch on April 21st in China. The launch date was confirmed by Vivo on its official Weibo profile. The two smartphones will be joined by the Vivo Pad 5 Pro, Pad SE and Watch 5. The new teasers show the X200 Ultra in its upcoming Rimowa edition, which features a silver look inspired by the luxury luggage manufacturer. In related news, the X200 Ultra emerged in a video leak showing its design from all angles. The device in the video is the Rimowa Edition X200 Ultra, and we get a good look at its huge camera island, which sticks out even more than it did on the X100 Ultra. As far as the camera hardware, we're expecting a 14mm ultra-wide 50MP sensor, OIT 818, a 35mm lens on the 50MP, OIT 818, main camera, and a custom 200MP Samsung ISOCELL HP9 for the 85mm periscope.